Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apache Flink with Apache, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Apache Flink, you first need to ensure that Java is installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check if Java is installed by typing Java version. If Java is not installed, download and install the latest version from the official Oracle website. Next, visit the Apache Flink website. Navigate to the download section. Choose the latest stable release of Apache Flink. Download the binary release suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. Extract the contents of the .tgz or .zip file to your preferred installation directory. Now, open your terminal or command prompt again. Change the directory to where you extracted the Flink files. You can do this by using the cd command followed by the path to your Flink directory. Next, to start a local Flink cluster, run the command bin/startcluster.sh on Unix systems. For Windows users, execute bin/startcluster.bat instead. After a few moments, the cluster should be up and running. To check if Flink is running, open your web browser. Navigate to http://localhost 8081. This will direct you to the Flink web dashboard. Here, you can monitor your Flink jobs and job status. To run a sample job, navigate to the examples directory under your Flink installation folder. Compile the example job by running bin/flink run examples/streaming/wordcount.jar. Monitor the output in the terminal. You've successfully installed Apache Flink and run your first job. For further configuration and scaling, refer to the official documentation. That's the quick tutorial on how to install Apache Flink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.